It's been a while since I have made a video, but I wanted to go through how to input your answers. They're all on your test are, well, you're going to run into math short answers. And so below your problem is a box. If you click on the box, this calculator will show up. And so the answer of this is the square root of 5/7. So what you're going to do, since your final answer is going to be a fraction, you're going to do this, then you're going to do the square root of 5, and then you can click here and put 7. And so utilize the square roots in here and make it look like you would have written it. If you have any questions on how to use this function and these square roots and these fractions and these exponents and this exponent, please reach out to me prior to you taking the test so we can go over that, because I do not want you to not be successful on your answers on your test because of your answers. Thank you.